Mikola, hi, how are you?
Hello, Tim. Doing pretty well, and I have some really interesting stuff to share today.
Please go
So
ahead. Let's see what you have.
let's do it. Let's do it. I don't know if a lot of people mentioned it before, a lot of our customers, but SmartMatchApp released a new version of API a few months ago, I believe, Tim. And now there is an amazing opportunity with API for our clients to build a dream applications for the customers.
Yeah, I'm excited to see that.
Yeah. So in the past, we had a lot of situations when customers wanted to build applications, but it was too complex, too pricey with an old API version or some other limitations. So now with API, we removed a lot of limitations, and we can use Smart Matchup as a backbone for matching, for suggestions, for everything, and then just transfer the data to a separate application through API and transfer the data back to Smart Matchup as soon as something happens in this application.
Let me try to kind of package it in a more maybe understandable way for some of our non-technical customers. So, guys, you can. What it means is that you can now build amazing front-end applications, be it a web application or iPhone application or Android application, based on Smart Matchup backend. You all
Mhm.
know the backend, like where you can go and look at.
Yeah,
Let's
Tim,
do some
while
visual.
you are talking, I can share my screen and just show you
Let's just show
something like
example, like
this.
this. You can actually have a swiping dating app or swiping social app or even a business app. Let's go see an example of a business app, for example.
Yep. Uh, like
For
this
example,
one.
something like that. You see where you can have a business app and no limitation in terms of how you want to do colors, layouts, buttons. There's going to be no limitations at all. You can even have video application. We have an amazing video application ready for you if you want to do video business meetings or video business swiping as well. And it's all yours. So it's going to be all under your brand,
Hmm.
downloadable from iPhone or Android, and web app on the browser, any browser that you want. And on the back end, am I correct? On the back end, let's go to our back end.
Yep. On a
You,
backend.
you can have your familiar, reliable, solid,
Hmm.
robust Smart Matchup app.
So
All of
yeah.
the suggestions that you see on the right will be transferred to the front end.
Hmm.
All of the profiles on the whole database will be transferred to the front end, and you can manage everything from the back. Am I right?
Yes, absolutely, Tim. So the data from Smart Matchup, potential matches, suggestions, and real matches also can be transferred to this application. And then, as a result of some actions in this application, I don't know, swiping or pressing a like button
Well,
or
let's go log
whatever.
in. Let's log in as Jane, as an example, into our standard off-the-shelf portal. Everyone
Hmm.
knows we have this off-the-shelf member portal product, right? This is the one.
Yep.
And if you use this off-the-shelf product, it's not customizable. You can upload your logo, and your
Hmm.
members will have this experience, right?
Yep.
I mean, it's also mobile friendly, of course. You can go to mobile if you don't mind, to the mobile view. And here's your mobile view. Not so bad, right? I mean, you can send connections,
Hmm.
request sent already. You can like somebody. You can click on actions, look at the matches, for example, et cetera, et cetera. So it does the job, but it is limited in terms of UI, user experience, or user
Hmm.
interface, right? It's what you get. Very customizable, but it is in terms of functionality is customizable, but not in terms of UI UX. And
Yeah,
now
that's right, Tim. And
compare this login, for example, from the phone or this to
mhm,
the you can completely unlock and build something like that now with the new
or like
with
this.
the new API.
Yep. So that's actually that's actually it. Because API opens a lot of possibilities to build these applications, web-based or mobile applications, and transfer a data.
For any use
Uh,
case, dating or
yep,
non-dating,
yep, yeah, yeah.
social healthcare. You can match patients, you can match mentors. I think for mentors, for example, it would be mentorship and mentor. Basically, we unlock the so long awaited dream for many of our clients is to have completely customizable UI user experience for their clients on any device they want. A lot of people are like want something very simple, right? In some cases,
Hmm.
but it's not limited to that. So for the nerds, just to kind of wrap up our conversation, for the nerds, can you show us how to read the and how to find and read the API documentation?
Yep, sure.
Obviously,
So,
guys, this is very technical. You will need a developer, and we can provide that service. We have a sister company studio, a Smart Next Studio, or you can hire your own developer. Let's show the backend where they can find the documents.
yep. So,
The
my screen is visible, Tim. Yep.
not yet, no.
Oh, that's interesting. Let me share it again. So, okay, now it
Okay,
is.
so like just show from the beginning where how to find it. So that we
Oh,
lost your screen again.
okay. What's going on? The
Technical
screen?
issues, man.
Yep, it happens. Nobody's perfect.
Nope.
So let's go to our video agency.
Yeah.
Sorry, my daughter is calling, but I can't pick up. Sorry, Laura.
Yeah, we're gonna
So,
wrap up soon, man. So you can go.
yeah, 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 I will call back.
Yes.
Oh, she's calling again. So, in your account, you can go to add-ons, API, API documentations, my card. Uh, and here you have a list of all available API calls. Here you can open anything to check, let's say, create a new client.
Just high level. You see, this is very technical. There is a lot
Mm-hmm.
of for the developer, it's gonna be easy to read. But
Yeah.
for the just for the non-technical crowd, on the left, let's just explain. You can transfer client profiles from our app, from
Mm-hmm.
backend Smart Match to the front end of any app
Mm-hmm.
that you build. You can
Transfer preferences.
transfer
Uh,
preferences, profiles,
and
suggestions.
it works to just to mention it. It works two ways. If you build this app and they update something in the application profile or preferences, it could be transferred back to SmartMatchApp to do a proper matching.
Correct. So
So,
client suggestions. Remember about those percentages that you
mm-hmm,
can get inside of Smart Match. Well, now they can be transferred to the front end of your apps. Matches, same thing. If there's a
mm-hmm.
matches, it will be updated, retrieved.
Files,
Files, even that's
folders,
new. Yeah, folders.
mm-hmm.
Okay.
But this list is not finished yet,
Imagine
actually.
you have an HR matchmaking, a human resource
Mm-hmm,
matchmaking, right? And you want to upload CV or resumes or some other examples or videos potentially. All of that
mm-hmm.
is possible now inside of the app in the front end. We need to talk to some of our clients about this. This is amazing. They're gonna love that. You know who I'm talking about. This is private
Yeah,
conversation, but
yeah,
you
yeah,
know
yep.
who we should be talking next, especially with the
Yes.
AI
Mm-hmm.
matching an AI database agent that we're working on. That's together with that. I mean, the sky is the limit. So, guys,
Yeah.
this is high level. Like, and we're gonna be adding more API.
And we can even do it per request. It's not so complex to add additional API calls here. So if you have some specific needs and you want to transfer specific data from Smart Matchup or to Smart Matchup, we can involve our development team and we can adjust this list of available calls.
Yeah. So at this point, we're becoming the matchmaking platform that can solve pretty much any matchmaking challenge that you have for your community network, for your membership. If you want to do customizations, it's possible. If you want to do off-the-shelf product as we have it, it's possible. Basically,
Hmm.
we're becoming the go-to matchmaking technology company where you can come to us and say, look, I have this challenge and I need all of those points of reference. I need to have front end, back end, just completely customized. Let's say you're even building a marketplace and you want to match I was just the other day, I was just interviewing our amazing client, Group Social.
Hmm.
They're building a matchmaking platform completely customized, and our backend is there. A front end completely changed as well, but the backend,
Hmm.
and most importantly, he was telling me the expertise that we have in matching and matchmaking and the technology that is reliable is very hard to find. You go, you find developers, they will build something, but how long is it going to take? Do they have experience in building matching matchmaking platforms? Are you gonna have to pay them per hour? Are you gonna have to pay them like some huge salaries? Is it gonna cost you $1 million to build something where you can
Yeah.
do it here for a fraction of it, 1/10 maybe of the price that you would pay on the market, because we specialize in matchmaking, and now we
And
have
we already have a backbone. We already have a platform. And now this platform just more customizable due to API. Thanks to API, backbone will stay here, matching processes, events, whatever. You can do whatever you want in SmartMatchApp, but you will have a great layout, a great picture for your clients.
yeah simple
So that's
simple
it.
layout, maybe the one that they used to, or the one that you want to improve the traction with your process. Maybe you're more focused on events and you want
Hmm.
to have a certain very easy event related experience. Maybe you want to add video to that. Maybe you want to add
Whatever.
event scheduling or event booking, like between the
Hmm.
clients during the event. We have clients who want that. Everything now, we will show you the event scheduling and booking next time. So yeah,
Hmm.
exciting stuff. We're working hard. Thank you,
Yeah.
Mikola, for this amazing news again.
My
Um,
pleasure, Tim. My
I
pleasure.
look forward to the
Because
next amazing segment. Hopefully, some new amazing features are coming in the next week.
yep, yep. See you next week. Like I will see you actually on Monday.
Yeah.
But for the interview, see you next week, Tim.
See you next week. Thank you.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.